Hi to all, my name is SBC Dark. So in today's video we have this spot welder. So like you saw in the intro, this is spot welder. This is Awgem, or how do you pronounce? The box is sealed. We have few information. Here we have warning, just input 5 volts, 1 amp, and output is 4.2 volts, and the rest is warning. So the box is sealed, and we're gonna find out in this video if this can replace all of this. So I've been using this for now a few years and it's time for upgrade. But if this can replace that, we're gonna see in this video. So for opening you need special tools. Please be careful. And let's see what we have in the box. So let's see, here we have some information. Let's open this up and see what we have in. And here we have slightly different than in the box. We have this with LCD screen, and in is just, so you have here sandpaper. If you have mini portable spot welder. So here is a little bit different than in here, but we're gonna see how this performs. So what we have in the box, we have charging cable type C, and here we have spare tips. Okay, let's see what we have in user's manual. Always read it, because in user's manual you have instructions how this works. So here are all the welding instructions. So weld in the middle, not if it lifted, or in the middle where you don't have metal. Okay, we know all of that, and that's it. So in this we have here batteries, we have welding strip, and we're gonna see how this performs. But first let's try to turn it on and see if this works even. Okay, it works. Power we have almost full, that's good. We are in the auto mode. If you press this button, you can switch between manual and auto. We're gonna leave in auto. We're gonna try weakest. Let's see how will this perform. The battery is not very clean, but we'll see if this makes any difference. Yeah, I didn't clean the batteries, so that's one of the problems. But we're gonna get new batteries and see how this performs. So here we have manual mode. We are at level mid, so this is like, I'm gonna put 2 like you should be. Yeah, and now you'll see that this is performing very well. So on the other end Let's see how strong it is on level 6. Yeah, it's nice weld. And now let's try mode 11. So now it's the strongest level. Maybe if the button was, I don't know, like here, or you need to have good grip. And then you can perform. We're gonna try the manual mode. We're gonna try auto mode. Let's see now. Yeah, you see, manual mode, auto mode does not have 2 seconds delay. Let's say auto mode, you should have at least 2 seconds. 2 seconds of time to connect good. You see, because it doesn't work very well. So here is the stronger settings, and let's see how this performs. How good is it? Yeah, as you can see, very well. So I'm very pleased with this. This is the cheapest that you can find on the internet. I bought this on Temu, so that's why. But I think that I purchased this one, and this is just the box. That I think that this one is better than even for this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to have clean batteries. Thanks for watching. ZC Dark here. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to support me. Thanks for your time. ZC Dark out. Bye.